Is it really working? Did it really grow my hair? Did this rice water really grow my hair 1 inch in 1 week? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So today I am doing part 2 of a 4-part video about rice water and how I apply it and the benefits that it is bringing to me thus far. So last week I showed you how I prepared the rice water. I explained to you the benefits that rice water has for your hair and the importance of adding it to your hair care regimen. Last week I did it a little different. I did the rice water first and I put my hot head on, and then I went back and did the deep conditioner and then put my hot head on, did both of them for 1 hour apiece. This time I wanted to save some time, so I went on ahead and combined it. So that is what you're going to see in this video today. And also at the end of the video, I am going to measure my hair. Also, I'm going to come out of this shirt, put on the striped shirt that I had on last week, and measure my hair and see if my hair really grew 1 inch in just 1 week. So from last week to this week, I can really see that my hair did maintain the same shine that it had when I first applied the rice water, and it is still strong. However, it is a little dry, but it is strong. A little dry, but it's strong. So I washed my hair using a moisturizing shampoo because rice water, like I said, is very drying and it is a protein. And we all know protein can be drying to your hair. So please know you do not want to put too much protein in your hair without balancing it out with moisture, preferably in like a deep conditioner. And normally, depending on the slip of the conditioner, this is when I also finger detangle my hair. The rice water and the deep conditioner mix is giving me a lot of shine and a lot of slip, which I love that. So what I did was just simply spray the rice water from root to tip, making sure I am coating each hair strand with the rice water. Then I applied a moisturizing deep conditioner that has no protein in it because I don't want to like double up on the protein. And then I follow it up with more rice water, just drenching it more with the rice water, giving me more and more slip, just allowing me to rake my fingers through my hair even easier. So this is my hair after I deep condition with the rice water after 1 hour of sitting under the hot head. And as you can see, my hair is shiny, I have defined curls, my hair is very strong and moisturized. And then I just finished styling my hair and I added about 14 twists to my hair, let it sit overnight, and then this morning got up, took it down, and bam, this is the twist out that I got from my hair yesterday. So now the moment that you all been waiting for, let's see how long my hair has gotten in just 1 week. Is it really working? Did it really grow my hair? Did this rice water really grow my hair 1 inch in 1 week? Well, about 9 days. I'm not going to cheat you. It was about 9 days. Alright, so I went on ahead and changed into my striped shirt so I can go ahead and get the measurements, and then I can show you side by side from last week to this week and see how much my hair has grown. So let's get on with the measurements. Getting a lot. Alright, here we go. Okay, so my final thoughts for this week. It looked like it may have grown a half an inch. I won't know for sure until I look at the other video and actually measure it side by side, but it does look like it did grow. This thing may not be a hype. This thing may be real. This thing may be real. Alright, so I am definitely going to be continuing on for the next 2 weeks with this rice water challenge. I was hoping I was going to get 4 inches, but I might get 2 inches. We'll see. We'll see if it's growing an inch a week or if it's growing a half an inch a week. We'll just have to find out to the next video, right? Well, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You are welcome here on my channel. I do nothing but positivity on my channel, so if that's what you're looking for, stay tuned for some more good things. If you have any questions or comments about the rice water challenge, please leave it below and I will reach back out to you. And as always, stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that try to invade your peace. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.